Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. Give everybody a minute here to log in. I was actually watching Marcus's Facebook Live a little while ago, and it took a while for it to show up on my phone so that I could join him. So hello, everybody. I see a few people joining right now. Thank you very much. Hello. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Happy hour. Happy Monday to everybody. Hello, Michael. Hello, Matthew. Thank you, everybody, for watching me today. A few quick little updates here at Aroma Time. We are still open inside for inside dining. We're at 50% capacity. We do have about 7 tables inside, all social distance from each other. We are doing takeout. And obviously not on a night like tonight, but if it's warmer outside, you're more than welcome to go sit outside in the garden area. We are not doing full service out there currently unless we have extra staff and we can handle it. We did have people sit outside this weekend. It was a little bit nicer weekend. I think it was 53 for the end of November. That is awesome. Hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. Tonight we have our buy one, get one free wings. You call ahead, 647-3000. You could have, they're all smoked, and you have a choice between barbecue and hot wings. And you can call and order that anytime. So if you're calling to order, you do not have to wait till we are open. The phones are always transferred to my cell phone when we are not open, and you can place an order early in the day if you would like to. So thanks everybody for watching me. Hello, Blanca, and everybody else on here watching me today. Marcus and I, there's a great Cyber Monday deal. If you go to our website and click the Cyber Monday deal, there's a deal there. So go ahead and go click that. Tonight, buy one, get one free wings. We are working on a cool packaging for the holidays. So this is Prosecco. We will package any bottle of wine for you as a gift. We will make gift baskets for you as well. I have a few samples here that I can show you. This is an olive oil basket. We can do 2 bottles of wine. We can do pastas. We can do a cheese basket. We will customize a basket for you. I'm probably going to make a basket with the fig and peach punch from Black Infusions, the fig vodka. So that will be available as well. Or maybe we'll make a breakfast basket with maple syrup and pancake mix and some other stuff. I can do a mimosa basket for you. So if you need a gift for somebody, I will make you a basket. Call me, 647-3000, and we can talk about what you would like in your basket. I can make fun baskets. So I'm excited about that, and I have a bunch of baskets here on the bar. I can't really tilt the camera, but let's see if I can grab another one here. So this one is beer. This is 3 philosophers. There's 3 philosopher years in there, so we could do beer as well. So that is available. So that will, that's starting tomorrow if you know what you want. If it's getting close to the holiday, please make sure you give me about a week's time to get the basket together for you, and I'll tell you which day you can pick that up. So today I'm going to be making I can send you some drink cards to put in the baskets. That'd be awesome. That's Michael Davidson from Black Infusions. Cool, I'd take it, David. That would be awesome. So today I'm gonna make a raspberry margarita. I know I make this quite a bit. I love margaritas. We have this awesome Merlot Framboise available. You can buy this, you can buy the tequila, you can take it home. All of the ingredients are pretty much available here to buy. Maybe I will make a margarita kit as well, so people can buy their friends margarita kits as a gift and put it in a basket for you. So I'm gonna start with 2 ounces of tequila. Ooh, my tequila is pouring slow. We use Curacao as our triple sec, so I am going to put 1 ounce of triple sec. I am putting a splash of raspberry liqueur, yum yum, and about 1/2 ounce of lime juice. and a drop of agave, because this raspberry liqueur is a little sweeter, so it doesn't need any more sweetness to it. I like my margaritas on the rocks and with salt, so I'm just going to put, I put lime on the rim, I dip it into some salt, I'm gonna put some ice in my glass, and I'm gonna shake my margarita. Hello, Esteban. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining me. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live. If you give me a thumbs up so I know that you're here, I appreciate that. It's always awesome to see all of my great friends joining me. Look at that. Color is awesome. I put a splash of soda in there as well. And there you have it, a raspberry margarita. So you can make any flavor margarita. You can make just a plain margarita, just don't add the raspberry. You can make peach, you can make pineapple, you can make hibiscus, you could make pomegranate, pear, mango, any type of margarita that you would like. Just add the juice or the liqueur to it, and there you have it. I love margaritas, so happy Margarita Day. It just seems like a rainy, cold day. Good day for a margarita. Awesome. Cheers, everybody. Buy one, get one free wings tonight at Aroma Time. The dining room is open. We are open now until probably about 8 o'clock. We kind of see that everything falls off by 8, 9 o'clock during the week. And we send our staff home as soon as it kind of dies down here. So thanks, everybody, for watching me. I appreciate it. I'll be back tomorrow. Check Marcus and I out for our Wine Time Live tomorrow. Hopefully I'll do a cocktail as well. And I missed some of your faces, so come on in. Our grocery store is still available. We have wild salmon still available, halibut. Stock your freezers up. I listened to Cuomo talk today a little bit, and he is monitoring the areas, and he's putting new stipulations on what zone you're going to be in, yellow, orange, or green, or red. And he's putting new stipulations on there. So if you didn't check him out today, check out his Facebook Live and hear what he had to say. Hope everybody was safe over Thanksgiving. And I will see everybody tomorrow. Have a lovely day. Cheers.